guys, Roll for ReveMoto. So today I'm going to be showing you how to take off a 2007-2013 Toyota Tundra side view mirror. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to take off the side view mirrors because I'm going to also paint that, and also I need to get into those wrap areas right there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to take off your side view mirrors. So basically I'm going to take off this corner piece right here. This comes right off. Let's see. We got to take off the door panel also. We gotta take off that main control panel right here. If you guys have to have a, if you don't have one of these, which is like a plastic thing, get something soft so you guys can pry it open. Oh, here you go. So right here on the side, just go ahead and take that off. So right here is going to be another clip or cover. Right in here. So there used to be a cover right here, but if you guys don't have it, there's a screw right here. All right, so there's gonna be a little push pin right here. Go ahead and press down on it, and it comes right off. And then just grab a corner, so don't pull it too hard because remember you still have this light right here. And push up. You can just let that dangle right there. Then there's going to be a 10 millimeters. Like that. Alright, so we got that 10 millimeter right here. You need a long one, so you can take this bolt off right here. So don't disconnect the wire yet, just in case it falls. Alright, so you can see it's already trying to fall, so just hold on right here, take it off, and then go to the other side. Alright, so just pull it off. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the back seat because we're going to paint this whole side view mirror. I want it to look exactly the same color as the whole vehicle. I'm gonna put it all back together so I don't miss any of the bolts or anything like that. gonna go to the other side, take off that side view mirror also. If I can just pull it off without using the tool. Oh yeah, you can just pull it off. Got a little bit of force there. Off. Let's see. Get it? That ankle again. We're going to take off the 10mm side here. Alright, so again, support it and then take off that clip. Put those screws back on so you don't forget where they go. Wire fell in there. Okay, there we go. Put that back on. Taking off these side view mirrors are really easy. Alright guys, so that's how you take off a 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra side view mirror. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on that push notification and hit that like button. And also, if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. Thank you.